Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm Lauren Boucher and we're doing another banana bread recipe. This is from my new recipe book. Austin, what's the name?
Half-Baked Harvest, Tegan Gerard.
Okay, thank you. This is from the cookbook Half-Baked Harvest by Tegan Gerard. Shout out to Heather and Kevin who got me this cookbook. So basically what makes this banana bread different is there's barely any sugar. There's a little bit of honey and then some cinnamon sugar on top, and that's it. So the trick apparently is to bake your bananas in the oven for 20 minutes until they're like extra sweet. It calls for 6 bananas. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in for about 15-20 minutes at 350. The oven is already preheated. And then I'm gonna put the mush bananas in for like 5-10. Basically, the skin is supposed to be black, and that's how you know they're done. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna let them cool for a hot second, and then I'm gonna put them in a bowl with all the other ingredients. And basically, the other ingredients are 2 eggs, a little bit of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of raw honey. This is kind of like hardening, so I might melt this a little bit. You're also gonna need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's it. And then you're gonna put parchment paper, oh Jesus Christ. Parchment paper on this bread pan, coat it with a little cooking spray. We're good to go. I'm gonna get the bananas in the oven and we'll come back when they're done and cooled. These bananas are squishy as can be, and there's so much liquid, and I thought you don't need it. So I poured the liquid in the sink, and then I, of course, licked my hands because you guys know I always do that. It was like sugar. It's like banana sugar. So that's amazing. This is a new thing that's very exciting. I'm gonna mash these bananas. They look, so it's like sugar water in here. So that's a little crazy to me, but very cool. Probably should have used a fork. So I let the first bananas cook for, I think 20 minutes or so. Can you believe how they look? I've never seen a banana in that form. And then I let the other ones cook for about 10 minutes. And I have my 1/4 cup of honey. It's a little grainy, so I put it in the oven because my oven's still on. So I am gonna try to be quick about this. So 1/4 cup of honey goes in. I'm really excited about this recipe. Okay. So now we need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. It's hot in my house, so this is already plenty liquid. It's the best part about the summer. Coconut oil is always ready to go. We're gonna add the 2 eggs. This is becoming very liquidy. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we mix this up. Why is this so watery? I guess that's how much water a banana has in it. I like mine a little chunky, so that's how we're doing it. So next we need 1.5 cups of flour. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of salt, using the thick salt. Yay. And that's it. Then we just have the brown sugar topping. The brown sugar topping. I hope I got the flour right. This is really thick. Maybe we did need that extra water that was coming out that I ended up pouring out. I hope not. That's okay. Just gonna be some thick dough. So this is my sprayed, oh my gosh, so heavy. All right, well, it's definitely gonna be thick dough, so even it out. Wow. That's so good. All right. In the oven for an hour, basically until the middle doesn't jiggle. Love you, thank you, bye-bye. As long as I'm in focus.
Yeah.
Okay. It's ready. It took a little less than an hour, and you know, you're supposed to catch it before, and you put some butter and cinnamon sugar and put it back in for 5 minutes. Didn't happen, so I just did butter and cinnamon sugar on the top. And the recipe did call for, oh my gosh, it's perfect. The recipe did call for chocolate chips, but I didn't have any. Oh my god. Wow. Still so sweet. This somehow tastes really buttery. There's no butter. Well, I put a little butter on top, but I'm wiping some of the cinnamon onto my piece. Let me finish this. Nice banana flavor. Not too sweet. It's gonna be so good tomorrow. Toast it in the oven. A little bit of butter. It's a great banana bread. It's a great recipe. I could see how this would be good with chocolate chips too. I think chocolate chips would be really nice, and you know, just make it a little extra flavor to it. But like, knowing this doesn't have a pound of butter, I would say probably it didn't take an hour, so don't bake it for an hour. And definitely next time, keep all the liquids, all that banana liquid, you need it. Don't drain it like I did. That's good, and that's the sugar. Like, it's crazy. I want to make banana sugar now and use it in recipes. That's freaking liquid banana sugar. Can you believe it? And there's still chunks of banana, which I love. I love getting like a nice banana chunk. What a great episode. I'm very happy to have banana bread to snack on. And the sugar on top is really nice. The cinnamon's really nice. Not much else to say. Thank you for watching. I might be doing a different episode in a different house next time. Have a good day.